Hey everyone, I'm thrilled that you're interested in my Parameter Actions workshop. I'm going to take everything you learned about my framework for working with parameter actions in our recent webinar and put it into action, literally, pardon the pun. During this 2-hour workshop, my goal is to help you bridge the gap between theory and practice. We'll be diving deep into the process of implementing parameter actions step by step. You'll not only solidify your understanding, but also walk away with practical skills you can implement immediately in your next Tableau project. By the end of this workshop, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use parameter actions to create dynamic, user-friendly experiences. Whether you're working on client presentations, internal reports, or your own data visualizations, this workshop will help you take your Tableau skills to the next level. I encourage you to ask questions, experiment, and really get involved during the session. I want to make it as great for you as I possibly can. This is your chance to get hands-on and ensure you're fully confident in working with parameter actions. So let's dive in and start turning those ideas into tangible, impactful results. Are you ready? I'll see you there.